What's up? It's your guy Chef Jerome Hill, and today we got a super easy recipe. We make scrambled eggs. Let's get it. Super simple. We're gonna start with my egg, crack it over the bowl. I usually do like 4 eggs in the morning. It's like one of my favorite breakfasts. High protein. You see me, I throw some paprika in there, some pepper, and of course a little salt. And I usually add it first into the bowl, and then I mix it up. Opposed to adding it over top of the eggs. To me, it just tastes better, and it's mixed in very well. So we scramble it up in the bowl, and I try to scramble it up to the consistency is good. So then to a pan, I add some butter. Usually have it on high heat, and then I'll lower it. But then I'll let the butter just slowly melt. Then I add my eggs, and whether you want your eggs fried hard or soft is the preference is up to you. I'm kind of in the middle with it. I kind of like them a little fluffy, so it's really a waiting game with scrambled eggs. You just want to watch your pan. You don't ever want to walk away from no eggs, so I usually just start scrambling. Make sure everything is covered correctly. Just take your time with it. That's it. Have fun. Like right now, that's pretty soft. And I like my eggs a little bit harder, so and that's it. Real simple recipe. I'm a ketchup guy. I usually add ketchup on the end, but subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.